Hello everyone. In today's video I will tell you how to create a subdomain in Hostinger hosting server. Okay, so the steps are very simple. First of all, you have to log into your Hostinger hosting. After login, it will redirect to your Hostinger dashboard. Okay, now you have to see the hosting option. So see the hosting option and then click on manage. After click on manage, you will see another dashboard. In that dashboard you will click on domains and then click on subdomain options. After clicking on subdomain, first of all you will see a top section in which you will add a new subdomain. Write the name of the subdomain. For example, I am writing tech domain. After writing the new subdomain name, select a domain which you want to attach with the subdomain. For example, I have two domains, so I will click on the first one and then click on create. So the successful message will appear on the top right corner. So your domain is created now. After creating the subdomain, now the next step is to install the fresh WordPress on the newly created subdomain. Okay, so for this I will click on website option, then click auto installer. After clicking on auto installer, you have to select the WordPress option. After selecting WordPress option, then you will first write the website title. For example, I am writing blog, and change the administrator email which you want to show for this website. Also write the password and username. Then the most important part is to select the subdomain. Okay, keep in mind by default the selection will be your main domain. Okay, so in order to select your newly created domain, you first click on drop down option and then select the newly created subdomain. Okay, so for example, I have created checkdomain.designgenius.com subdomain. Okay, so I will select this one and then simply will go to the next step. Okay, after clicking on next step, it will install the fresh WordPress on the this newly created subdomain. So click on install. It will take little bit time and then your WordPress will be installed on your newly created subdomain. So the WordPress is installed on the new subdomain. Now simply click on edit website and it will go through the newly created subdomain WordPress panel. So in this way you will create a subdomain and then will install a WordPress on the subdomain which you created for your future works. Okay.